How many times can you take the electrician test in Texas? In Texas, there are no restrictions on the number of times you can take the electrician test. You are allowed to test unlimited through your eligibility period. However, it's crucial to keep a few important points in mind. Exam fees. Be prepared to pay the exam fee for each attempt you make. Budget accordingly to accommodate these expenses into your preparation plan. Preparation is key. Rather than fixating on the number of attempts, prioritize thorough preparation for each test. Identify your weak areas and dedicate ample time to studying and reinforcing your knowledge. Remember, passing the electrician test may require multiple attempts, but with determination and perseverance, success is within reach.